Well, hello everybody. Here we are with our puppet buddies. And we have two puppet buddies here. And they're working, as you can see. They're getting to know the puppets. And this is Mephistopheles, and this is the young woman from the Gilgamesh epic that we're working on. And as you can see, one of the first things they're doing is they're getting accustomed to working the puppets and making them walk and moving the arms and that sort of thing. And in fact, it's a bit like learning a musical instrument. You have to make the puppet an extension of you and of your personality. So this is what I generally have the students do first, is to pick a puppet that they feel close to and just practice with it and get to produce a kind of natural walk with the puppet first. So that's what we're doing. I call it having a parade.
Here's a few more puppets, right?
Great, okay, go ahead. Guys, smile. And as you can see with the smile, they're very happy.
Yes. Of course.
And then work the arms too. And then the next step, shall we go to the next step, Dave?
Okay.
The next step is we're going to try to show emotions with the puppets. And primarily that happens through the use of the hands and also of the body itself. For instance, maybe if you try to show fear, try to make them look quiet. Yeah, that's good, something like that. But this is something that each puppet buddy has to decide for herself. You know, what makes a good fear? What makes a good anger? How do you make them look angry? There's an angry devil. And then when they talk, you know, also when they talk, the hands are the most expressive part as they say the dialogue. So go ahead, please, and try to make them look angry. Go ahead. Well, they look like they're kind of saying bye-bye there. Oh, that's good. That's good. One thing you can do is make them look around. Yeah, see if they're, that's kind of nice. Yeah. Yeah. And then I'll make them bow. They can bow to one another. That's good. Yeah. And also bring them together here. That's a good idea. Yeah. Oh, they look Nakayoshi. That's right, shaking hands. But these puppets were made in Prague, and even the costumes and everything else, the puppets themselves were carved from linden wood. So that's kind of lemon wood, and it smells very nice. But yeah, the family that did the carvings of the puppets are quite a gifted family. Let's see, what else can we make them do? Why don't you make them walk around? Go ahead, please. I think the secret is to let the puppets kind of don't lift their feet off the floor. Very nice. Well, that's what we first do with the puppets. Okay, Dave, I think we can start.
あ、上手上手。
Yeah, that's very
動
good.
いてるし。
The effect with that guy is very nice because look at his head. He looks quite lively. Go ahead, Yuki. What I'd like you to do, Yuki, is practice Yeah.
ジェシーをね、
Yeah, because I
ジェ
like
シ
you.
ーが話してるようになんかやってほしいみゆきちゃんに言ってたんだけ
Is that okay?
ど、オープンキャンパスの時ジェシーがこう口で話してて隣で
So while
ジ
I'm
ェシ
talking,
ーが話してる
while
よ
I'm talking, I'd like little me to be talking too.
うん、そんな感じで、そうそうそう、
Yeah.
あ、上手上手。
Miyuki's very good at this. She's practiced a lot. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, yes, welcome. Have you ever heard of the Golden K-tie?
すごい。
Yeah, that's good.
Good。本当だ。なんか
He's been on a diet, though. Go ahead, Miyuki, make him walk around and stuff if you want. But that would be wonderful if you could if you could maneko me while I'm talking
だいぶなりました。
with this guy, because everybody would see. Yeah, that would be wonderful. Thanks, Miyuki. Yeah,
なんか
yeah. Go ahead and make him walk around. That violin devil, though. Yeah, he's the most. And you can make him, as he's playing the music, you can kind of, shift his weight a little bit on his feet, and he looks like he's alive. We have good music for him, too. Martini's Devil's Trill. She's good, too. She's very good at expressing emotion, so go ahead, try to use her hands for emotion.
この間の T シャツだけど、ジェシーの J になったので。
あ、はい。
うん？
ここにジェシーの J が入ってるし、
Oh,
ペ
yeah.
ットバディ。
Yeah, he kind of walks like me.
Oh,
Here he comes. Wow.
That does look like me.
本当だ。ジェシー結構ガニ股だから難しいかも。でも似てる似てる。
Oh.
で、首が動くだけでだいぶ変わるのかな、表情。どうもどうも。
Oh, you can do it well. That's wonderful.
Good.
Good. And see, that's what I want when I come up and I give my speech, Miyuki. I want you to come up too. And as I'm talking at the podium, I'd like you to maneko me with him for a little while. After people stop laughing, then we stop. But your help that way would be wonderful. Good. Yeah.
What shall we do for English?
Well, let's see. Maybe the sings would be best.
Sing is best.
Yeah, because me, for I'll wax great as you face poverty, and rise above while you sink below. Your misery will make me glow. I'll drag you down by the end of this show. Go ahead and try it.
I am envied. I hope everyone will grow as poor as I become. A curse on you and a blessing on me. For I wax great as you face poverty, and rise above while you sink below. Your misery will make me grow. I'll drag you down by the end of this show.
Okay. Go ahead, please.
I am envy. I hope everyone will grow as poor as I become. A curse on you and a blessing on me. For I wax great as you face poverty, and rise above while you sink below. Your misery will make me grow. I'll drag you down by the end of this show.
Okay. Go ahead, Miyuki.
Envy. I am envy. I hope everyone will grow as poor as I began. A curse on you and a blessing on me. For I wax great as you face poverty, and rise above what you think real. Your misery will make me grow. I'll drag you down by the end of this show.
Okay. Next one is gluttony. Now, gluttony means you're really futota. You have to be really. Okay. You
All
okay?
right. Yeah. Yep.
All right. We'll push them out here. My John, you take one end.
Okay.
So what will we do this time? We'll do some reading and also practice with masks again.
There go the puppets.
We'll have them practice with